Hi everyone, we are excited to have you here in today's fun-filled learning session at Uolo. Here is a quick look at how you can submit your work after the class. As a first step, go to live.uolo.com. You can use any browser to access this site. On this page, you will see a list of all our classes. Scroll down and you can see the Submit Your Work button. And then you will see a list of the classes that you've last attended, which could, for example, show the dance or craft or science experiment classes you've attended recently. Next, it will show you the list of children whose names are registered in this mobile number. Choose your name from this list to submit your work. For instance, if you are Satvik Kumar, choose that name. And then choose the class for which you would like to make your submission. For example, if you've attended the New Year's Masquerade Party session and you'd like to make the submission for this class, click on the Submit Your Work button below that. And then upload the photo you've taken. Choose the image from your phone and click Submit. You can scroll down and view all your past submissions and see how many of your friends or peers have liked your work. You can also see others' work and like their work to inspire your friends. If you want to showcase your work on social media, that too is very simple. Click on Share, copy the link and post it on Instagram or Facebook or any other platform of your choice. Just a tiny reminder, your submission looks a lot better if you could click a photo in the landscape mode rather than the portrait mode. Do not forget to tag us at YOLO_app. I'm eagerly looking forward to all your submissions right after this class.
Hello everyone. So how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing great and everybody is excited for a new class, right? Okay. So in today's class, we are going to learn a new food illustration using watercolors. And what are we going to learn today? We are going to paint nice, bright, red and juicy strawberries. All right. Everybody excited? Okay. So those of you who had missed the instructions for submissions at the starting of the class, don't worry. We'll play it again at the end of the class and you can have a look there. Okay. So let me quickly tell you what are all the materials that you will need for today's class so that you can get them ready. All right. So firstly, we will need a drawing sheet or a drawing copy on which you will be making the drawing. All right. Apart from that, we'll be needing our watercolors. And since we are using watercolors, we'll need a jar of water. Apart from that, we will also need our brushes for watercolors. And to make the drawing, we will need our pencil and eraser. So that's all we need for today's class. Everybody quickly check whether you've gotten all of the materials and we can then dive into the class. Okay? Quick, everybody get ready. Okay? So now for the class, first we'll make the drawing. Okay, we'll make the drawing of the strawberries. So for that, everybody just take your pencil and eraser and be ready. Everybody get ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay, so first we will draw very lightly because at some points we might need to erase some portions off. So don't draw too dark with your pencil. Be very light and gentle with your pencil. Okay, so here we go. So see here I have my pencil. Let us make the first shape for the strawberry. Okay, so this one is going to be a large strawberry. We'll first make the shape of the first strawberry like this. Everybody just make the shape of the first strawberry. You can see the shape. It starts like this and then it tapers towards the end. Okay, we are leaving the top portion open because we'll be drawing the leaves of the strawberries there. Okay, everybody quickly get this shape drawn. Remember, like I said, draw very lightly with the pencil because you will need to erase some portions of it. So there should not be any pencil markings. That is why draw lightly with the pencil. Everybody quickly draw it. Okay. Now next we'll move to the smaller strawberry. So see, from the side we'll be drawing, we'll remove some part of it. Okay. So we'll draw a smaller strawberry like this. First draw this shape, everybody. You can see some part of it is intersecting with the first largest strawberry. So everybody first draw this, later on we'll erase that portion. Okay. First draw this. Quickly draw this, everybody. We'll move on to the next portion now. Okay. So for the next portion, just take your eraser and erase off this portion. See, here I have my eraser and I will just erase off this portion. Okay. We'll just erase it off. So everybody just erase off that portion. Okay. So now next we'll draw the bushes on top. So see, just very simple, just small leaves like this. In no particular shape, it's not having any particular shape. I'm just drawing randomly a few leaves like this, small leaves on top of the strawberry. We'll just draw a few leaves like this on top of the smallest strawberry. Same thing we'll make, but in a larger size for the largest strawberry. So everybody just draw the first leaf set on the smallest strawberry. No particular shape. You can see I've just drawn 4 rough leaves. Okay. They don't have any particular shape. You can just make them like this. Okay. Next, we'll draw the other leaf also. Same thing, just in a larger size. We'll draw on top of the other strawberry. So see, the same kind of leaves we are drawing on top of the other strawberry also. Just a little larger in size. Okay. Everybody complete drawing these set of leaves on the other strawberry. You're almost at the end of the drawing. After this, we'll just draw 3 nice large leaves around the strawberry. And then we'll move on to the painting. Okay. Everybody complete the small leaf on top of the large strawberry. Okay, everybody's done with this. So now we'll just make 3 large leaves. Okay, you can make either simple leaves, or you can make them a little bit thorny. Just see, you can either make simple leaves like this, I'm drawing it lightly, or else you can just make them a little prickled like this, just having some sharp edges like this. Okay, everybody knows how to draw a leaf, right? So just draw the first leaf, everybody, a nice large leaf on the right side of your painting. Everybody complete drawing this leaf. Okay, next we'll move on to the second leaf. So again, one large leaf like this from the top. Okay, you can make it a little bit larger also. And same from the left hand side also, one more leaf. Just draw 3 leaves like this. We'll just make this middle leaf a bit larger in size. Okay, we'll just make it a bit larger. So here you go. All your 3 leaves are done and your drawing is complete. Don't worry, we'll give time to everyone. Get all the 3 leaves done before you move on to your painting. Everybody complete drawing all the 3 leaves. Once you have completed, get ready with your yellow and green color. Any yellow and any green, okay, doesn't matter. Just get ready with your yellow and green color once you've done painting, okay? Once you've done the drawing. Okay. Next, everybody get ready with your yellow color now. See what we'll do with our yellow color. Take your watercolor brush. Okay, see here's the watercolor brush. We'll just dip it in some water. Okay, dip it in some water and then take your yellow color and nicely load up your brush with the yellow color. Okay, take more water, nicely make a solution and take up lots of yellow. And we'll cover up all of the leaves with yellow first. Okay, all of these large leaves will first cover it up with yellow color. Keep taking water and keep taking the paint and cover up all of these leaves with yellow color first. Any yellow is fine. Okay, same with the other 2 leaves also. Keep taking the yellow color and nicely cover up the leaves with the yellow color. Same for the third leaf. Okay, first cover it up with yellow, everybody, before we move on to the next steps. Is everybody done with this? So now next, we'll use the green color. Everybody keep your green color ready next. Okay, so now we'll just add a little bit of green to the leaf, and again we'll add a little bit of yellow. Just play with your colors. Okay, there is no restriction. We'll first add a little bit of green to the leaf, and then we'll spread it about with a little bit of yellow again. Just see what I'm talking about, you'll understand. So see, here I have my dark green color. I'm taking dark green. You can take any shade of green. Any shade of green is fine. Okay, so I'll first apply a little bit of green like this. And then I'll go back to my yellow color. I'll go back to my yellow color again, and I'll spread out this green color all over the leaf using my yellow color. Everybody just pay attention. Anybody who has missed the first step, I will be repeating the same step on the second leaf. So see, first we'll take some green. We'll spread the green color around, and then we'll again dip our brush in yellow. Once you spread the green around, again dip your brush in yellow and put that on top of the green color that you've applied. Anybody who has missed it, you can see the same thing will be repeated on the third leaf also. Again, we'll take some green, spread it around first, spread it around a little bit first, then go back to yellow. And again, using that yellow on top of the green, spread it all over the leaf. Okay, so in this way, you have to cover up all the 3 large leaves. Everybody just get this done quickly. Everybody get this done before we move on to the other part. Okay, remember first we are taking green, spreading it all over the leaf, and then on top of that green, we are using yellow again. Okay. Okay, we'll give it 30 seconds. Everybody complete it. Same technique will repeat for the smaller leaves also. Those smaller bushes that are there on top of the strawberries, same technique will repeat. Okay, we'll repeat the same technique that we have applied on the leaves to the smaller ones, the smaller bushes on top of the strawberry. Okay, so just see how we are going to do that. You can either apply green directly or you can use the same combination of green and yellow that you've used. Okay, so see here, I'm applying the green color directly. You can also use a bit of yellow if you like you've done with the green, or else you can apply the green color directly like this. Okay, keep loading your brush with the green color. You can apply it directly, or you can use a combination of yellow also, like we did with the leaves. Same for the second one. Again, we are just going to color it up with the green. But if you want, you can apply the same technique that you've used in the larger leaves. Okay. If you are using only green for the leaves, if you are not using any yellow, then try to use a dark shade of green. If you have a dark green color, try to use a dark shade. Okay. Don't go for lighter shades of green. Try to pick a nice dark shade. Okay, so like this, we have covered the tops of the strawberries also. So the star of the show, the strawberry is left. Everybody quickly get the leaves done so that we can move on to the fun part of the painting, the main part of our painting. Everybody complete this and then we can move on. Okay. So now everybody wash off your brushes nicely. Nicely wash off your brushes. There should be no remaining green color on it because we'll work on the strawberries. And what color are the strawberries? Strawberries are red in color, right? Pinkish red in color. So we should not have any remaining green on our brushes. Nicely wash off your brushes with the jar of water so that there is no remaining green. Okay. Everybody ready now for the final step of the painting? All right. See, nicely wash off your brushes, or else you can take a fresh brush. If you are not sure, you can take a fresh brush also. And we'll nicely load up our brushes. See, if you have green color, you will have some black things like this. So nicely wash it off and nicely load up your brush with the red color like this. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll first apply the red color all over the border of the strawberry. We will not be applying any color to the center. Just see, be very careful at the edges. Your leaf color should not get into your strawberries. Okay, be very careful at the edges. And I'm first applying the red color at the borders only. I am not applying any color to the center of the strawberry. You can see that, right? Be very careful. Don't use a too thick a brush. Okay. Use a nice standard medium brush so that you can nicely get the colors on all the four sides of the strawberry, all around it. But no color should be there in the middle of the strawberry. Okay. Just get the colors on all the four sides. Same thing for the second strawberry also. We will not apply any color in the center of the strawberry. Nicely load up your brush and apply the color all around it. See, same thing. Anybody who has missed the strawberry first one, you can just see we are applying the color all around the strawberry's border. Okay, we are not applying any color in the center. Everybody complete it till here. Everybody complete it till here. Everybody first get the borders done. Okay, everybody done coloring the borders. Now next, just wash off your brushes. Okay, wash off the red color of your brushes. Okay, this is just a little bit I'm applying at the borders. And now just wash off your brush nicely. See, here's my cup of water. And I will just wash off the brush. And I will just take the water, my washed brush. I will just take a little bit of water and I will just drag the color from all the four sides towards the center. See, in the middle, I'm getting a nice white transparent surface. So it looks as if my strawberry is shining. Okay, see the middle portion? It's a nice white shining surface. It looks as if my strawberry is shining. Anybody who has missed the first step, just pay attention. We'll repeat that same thing on the second strawberry. So see here again, we'll just take water and we'll drag the color from all the four sides into the center. So we are getting a nice, bright, shiny center. It looks as if the strawberry is real, right? Nicely cover up any white spaces that are there in the borders. Okay, nicely cover them up. So see, because we left that white portion in the center, it's looking as if our strawberries are real. So that is the power of watercolors. You get these nice transparent surfaces and it adds realism to your painting. Everybody complete this. We are just left with one last step of the painting. Everybody just complete this dragging step that we just did, so that we are just left with one last step of the painting. Those of you who have completed, you can take out a nice thin brush and you can take out your white color. Okay, pour out your white color and take a nice thin brush and be ready for the last step. Okay, now for the last step, see, we'll just take a nice thin brush, we'll dip it in water and we'll nicely load it up with the white color. All right, everybody just see here. So for the last step now, we'll take our thin brush and we'll nicely load it up with the white color. See here, nicely loaded up with the white color, and we'll make some dots like this that are found on strawberries. Just see little dots like this so that it looks like strawberries. Everybody has seen these tiny dots on strawberries, right? These are little markings on strawberries. So we'll just draw these dots like this using our white color and our thin brush. Okay, same for the second strawberry also. Okay, so that is all. That completes your painting. Everybody just see how to make the final dots. That completes your painting of the strawberry. So see, because of that little thing that you left in the center, and then you drag the water from all the four sides. See how real your strawberries are looking. It's looking as if they are shining, right? Yes, so this is the new technique of watercolors that you learned today. And also you learned how to draw a strawberry, how to paint the leaves, and also how to leave shiny surfaces. So I want to see all of your nice and beautiful works in the submissions column, okay? I want to see them all submitted. And remember, if you make the submissions for the classes, you are eligible for a certificate. Also, the top 10 works will be featured on the website, right? Okay, so I hope everybody had lots of fun and everybody learned something new, at least something new, drawing wise or painting wise, you learned something new, right? So the next time you have to draw fruits for your school project or any other science project, you know how to make them and how to add that extra realism to them using watercolors, right? Okay, everybody, I hope everybody enjoyed the class and I hope to see all of you again in the next class. Okay, so keep painting, keep creating, everybody, and stay safe. Bye-bye. See you again in the next class.
Hi everyone, we are excited to have you here in today's fun-filled learning session at Uolo. Here is a quick look at how you can submit your work after the class. As a first step, go to live.uolo.com. You can use any browser to access this site. On this page, you will see a list of all our classes. Scroll down and you can see the Submit Your Work button. And then you will see a list of the classes that you've last attended, which could, for example, show the dance or craft or science experiment classes you've attended recently. Next, it will show you the list of children whose names are registered in this mobile number. Choose your name from this list to submit your work. For instance, if you are Satvik Kumar, choose that name. And then choose the class for which you would like to make your submission. For example, if you've attended the New Year's Masquerade Party session and you'd like to make the submission for this class, click on the Submit Your Work button below that. And then upload the photo you've taken. Choose the image from your phone and click Submit. You can scroll down and view all your past submissions and see how many of your friends or peers have liked your work. You can also see others' work and like their work to inspire your friends. If you want to showcase your work on social media, that too is very simple. Click on Share, copy the link and post it on Instagram or Facebook or any other platform of your choice. Just a tiny reminder, your submission looks a lot better if you could click a photo in the landscape mode rather than the portrait mode. Do not forget to tag us at Uolo_app. I'm eagerly looking forward to all your submissions